Liquid bread, also known as beer. We start our journey into beer in China. What we see here is a historic production line for rice wine. Actually, it's not a wine, it's a beer. The sorghum beers of Africa are really different from all other beers. Specifically, India Pale Ale was meant to be sent from Britain all around Africa, all the way to India. This probably is the best view that you can have of Dublin City. There's lots of different sour beers now in a city like Portland, Oregon. So here's one tip, try it with a chocolate cake.